Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you the basic navigations and graphic user interface, the GUI in Autodesk AutoCAD. This is AutoCAD 2018 at the beginning. I will just click Get Started to click Start Drawing. Alright, at the beginning, you can just click the setting. Most of the time we need the 3D modeling. If you are a 3D animator or 3D game developer, sometimes you want to use the AutoCAD 2018 to create some basic modeling, use the 3D modeling. And now this is the 3D modeling mode, and now if I use the middle button, you can see. If I use the middle button to drag, then I can move. If I hold the shift button and use the middle button, hold the middle button and the shift, then now I can rotate the world. Right. Now, and I try to draw a very simple shape. I click the polyline here. I draw a very simple shape here. Alright, now. Once I close the whole shape, I press escape. This is really a basic modeling. And now, the 3D wireframe, you can just select it to make it become conceptual. And next, you can click the solid. Then you find an extrude. Click the extrude and click this shape. Click extrude. Now I press enter, and then now you can see it already created a 3D shape. Alright. If I want to move this shape, I can just use my mouse right button to click it, and now I hold the shift to move it. Now I can just move this shape to here, to anywhere, and click again. Now the 3D modeling, most of the time I will just put it at the center. This is the shape. Now next, I can click the home. Maybe I want to draw a circle. Then I click one time and I click again. Now this is a circle. I go to the solid again and I click the extrude and click the circle. I press enter. Now this is a cylinder. I hold the shift and hold the middle button of the mouse. Now maybe I want to put this up. I want to put it here. Alright. Right now you can see this cylinder is here. For example, now if I consider as finished my 3D modeling already. Most of the time, if you are a 3D artist or a 3D animator or game developer, you will just want to export it as FBX file. You can just click here, export, export as FBX file, and I will just export on my desktop. It's drawing one FBX. I save, click OK. Now, this is the FBX file. This is a 3D files that can be very useful for your other 3D software. You can import it and export it anywhere. The FBX file, I double click and check the 3D shape. Now you can see this 3D shape is here and it is ready for use. Alright, that's all for today about the really basic navigations and graphic user interface, and also a really basic modeling that to create the 3D solids in AutoCAD and export it as FBX file in Microsoft Windows 10 by using AutoCAD 2018. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animations, 3D modelings, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and at the same time turn on the mini bell to select all to turn on the notification so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.